Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable LED light on your speaker Baseus VO20. So right now, as you can see, I have no LED light, and let's open the application and I will show it to you. You have two options to enable it. So firstly, you can go to ambient light and choose the best one for you, let's say like default mode or like smart mode, and it change. Or you can press and hold at this light button. So press and hold. Let me show it you. Press and hold, and as you can see, it enabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.